In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your course on Udemy in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned instructor or new to the online course platform, publishing your course is a pivotal step in sharing your knowledge with students across the globe. So let's dive right in and make your content available to millions of eager learners. First things first, head over to the Udemy website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, which is your first step towards publishing your course. For an easy and secure sign-in process, I recommend using the Google sign-in option. You'll see a Google icon on the login page. Just click on it and you'll be directed to choose the Google account you want to use for Udemy. This step is not only convenient but also adds an extra layer of security to your Udemy account. After you've successfully logged in using your Google account, you're all set to navigate to your instructor's dashboard. Look for an option labeled Instructor on the top navigation bar. This will drop down a menu where you'll find several options related to course management and creation. In the instructor dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on Edit, Manage Course. This is where you can make any last-minute tweaks to your course content, ensuring everything is polished and ready for the public eye. Remember, attention to detail can make a significant difference in how your course is received by students. Now, for the moment you've been preparing for submitting your course for review, you'll find a button labeled Submit for Review. Clicking this button starts the process of Udemy's quality check, ensuring your course meets all the requirements for publication. Before you hit that final submit button, it's crucial to review all the requirements necessary for your course to be published. This step is often overlooked but can significantly impact whether your course gets approved on the first try or not. Make sure to carefully check each requirement, ensuring your course content, landing page, and promotional materials are in line with Udemy's standards. Remember, the goal of this process is not just to publish a course, but to ensure that it provides value, is engaging, and meets the quality standards expected by Udemy and its learners. Take your time to go through the checklist provided by Udemy. This includes making sure your course has a clear and concise title, a comprehensive description, learning objectives, and quality video content. By following these steps diligently, you will have successfully submitted your course for review on Udemy. Keep in mind, the review process may take a bit of time as Udemy's team goes through your course to ensure it meets all the guidelines and is ready for students around the world. In closing, remember that publishing a course on Udemy is just the beginning. Engage with your students, collect feedback, and continually update your course to ensure it remains relevant and valuable over time. By doing so, you not only enhance the learning experience for your students, but also increase the potential for your course to be successful on the platform. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to publish your course on Udemy. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Publishing your course is a significant milestone, so take a moment to celebrate your hard work. Good luck and happy teaching.